Ungakhali, don't do that. I get it. Shame. Guys, you get it though. You get it though. Woza. Hey yo guys, it's King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, Intwana King Indlovu bafethu. We back with it, mtanami. It's the Tranders Hot Wing. This is Big Leads, mtanami. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. If you don't subscribe, you are making a big mistake because today ngiphethe umuntu othi yena ichilisi ukhule eyitya, athi ichilisi ukhule edlala ngayo, athi ichilisi imenza ukuba abuyelwe iappetite. Ikwenza njani ichilisi mntasa?
Oh, imnandi chilisi. Ndaxelela.
Awukazi ulile wena uliliswe ichilisi.
Soze.
Uthi mntasa soze. This Big Lead TV bafethu. Do the right thing. Tell a friend to tell a friend ukuthi akuse uthi King Ginger nje ucela ukuthi subscribe lapho. I'm going to have 10 minutes with her. Uzohlala phansi, uzodla ama wings awu 10. Mawukuthi uyawaqeda lama wings awu 10 within 10 minutes, and then uzokwazi ukuthi ngimgaye inyuku cash. But it's for new cash, it's for new cash. It's for new cash, it's for new cash. It's for new cash, it's for new cash. It's for new cash, it's for new 200 rands for 10 minutes, 10 wings. Ungaphuza amanzi, ungaphuza ibisi. Mawuphuza ubisi, shame. Shuthu yaphuma egamini. Ngiphethe cash, ngiphethe isikhathi. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Always sure? Ready. Born ready. Yeah.
Awusabi ne?
Ansabi.
Awuthukanga?
Hayi.
Abakuthusi
nakancane, banthusani.
Please, have a seat. Ngicela uhlale ubhekele. Yes. All right. Awusiqala isikhathi ngoba usevele waqala. Cela ningibhekele bafethu, angifuni abantu ngama. Only nje. 10 minutes, but take your time. 10 minutes mkhulu. Injani? Usizwe unjani? Usizwe unjani? Ungachithi phela utye beku clean. No, you can't do that. You need to it's proper. Yeah. You need to eat proper. Amabhonzi wafaka la, yeah, it's proper. It's proper. Yeah. 200 rands. It's about that time. How do you feel? Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Guys, look at this one. Sure. Hamba njani? Uzizwe njani? Talk to me. Injani baba? Hayi babi. Injani? Khawumunye umuno. Ngikubona uba uyoyiki. Hayi lamathambo lawa. Are you a white lady now? Utya wena nje. Phuza. Ungakhali. Don't do that. I get it. Shame. Guys, you get it though. Woza, you pushed. Come, talk to me. Yini ekulile. Sini isikhathi lapho. Stop the skin.
I stopped it.
You stopped from
8 minutes 13 seconds.
Shame. Ubusani 2 minutes. 2 minutes usegamini. How do you feel? You tried. Ngikuvulele. Yeah. Ulahlele la izinto zakho. Oh, yayidla. All right. Sorry ke ukuthi akwazanga ukuqeda mfethu. Kwenzakaleni? Yeah, I'm going to open for you. No, ngifuna ungixelele. Ouch. Talk to me. Kwenzakale ntoni? Itya. Yeah, kwenzakale ntoni? Talk. How did you No, you must talk.
Hayi.
Kanti indaba kwenzakaleni ekwenza ukuthi ustop.
Uthokhwani?
Iyababa ne?
Juni yayibona mos.
Iyababa. Uyivile yababa.
Hayi Ginger, yintoni kanti?
Injani? Iyababa ne?
Ucimba injani wena?
Andazi, you talk to me. Ibabile ne? So now uqonda ukuthi wena episode yakhe izoba short kanje. You were I think you were over ready.
Mfana.
Phuza sana. Utye
Vula amanzi.
Ngivula amanzi.
No.
Okay. Kodwa vele imali ithi ngifake ephaketheni vele ngeke usayisebenzisa.
Angeke
We-loser. At least today you agree ukuthi uyintoni?
loser.
Aha. She lost 200 rands bafethu. Udle nje ama wings awu2.
Ayaxoxa i4 tunes uxoxa. 5 uxokelana.
Oh.
5
Yini kwenza ukuthi uluze?
Uyabona mosiyababa lento.
Iyababa ne? So how do you feel to become the first loser in the losing challenge?
Ihappy ukufa. Benda uhuda ubusuku bonke.
Guys, ngisacela simuphi izandla bafethu ngiyanicela. Just muphi izandla support nje. Ngiyanicela she tried. Wash izandla. Ube right.
Awekho amanzi, uzondihlangala wakho.
Yena sisazophuza la manzi
Ngizothinyo.
Usithole neclass yezo.
Hayi jinja.
Siyabonga yezo. Siyabonga ube right yezo.
Sibongani.
All right. King Ginger Cream de la Cream, Tennessee Kings. This is hot chip challenge, bafethu, but this is hot wing challenge. Ushaye nje 4 waphela egamini, phela njalo episode yanamhlanje. Ziyakhala, imali akayitholanga. Ebathi sifuna ama coins. If you are ready, tell me ukuthi ukuphi kwi-race yakho noma ngabe ukuphi, invite to King Ginger. I will pull up with some money. Cash mtanami. This is Big Lids. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you call a friend and tell a friend to King Ginger uthi yababa leyo phahla leyo. Take me home.
Yeah. Run it up, Londo.
Yeah. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shots, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario Planet. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shots, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario Planet. I heard all your people be running it back. I heard you spit on the track. I'm here to inspire the people who thinking that.